So here we face south of the lot. I'm on the higher part and there is... So here is east, north. So we go back to the house over there. So here we go back to the entrance. The part is divided between like probably and one second area on the back. So there is this divide, I will say the 7 acres are divided in two parts. So here we are on the first part. The entrance is 100 meters behind the house. It's like a 2-bedroom house in blocks. He has no bathroom inside. So here I'm on the south line of the lot. One small hill. The house is over there behind the lot. And here the north line of the lot, you see, start with banana. Could it be hundreds of banana trees? The house is over there. So it's about 200 meters for 140. So here the banana trees, you see, the house is over there. So here the house, very simple block house. So here we are at the entrance, 200 meters from the road. The house is over there, 60 meters here. So entrance of the lot goes up here. You have the line, and the line go over there far. Here we are following it. Same way, the entrance over there. We keep straight. Here is like east. For about 150 meters, the house is just... So the house is up, is there, you see it. So here is our entrance. So we are like 150 meters for the entrance. So here is the neighbor at the entrance. We passed, we have our own access. But here, another property. Middle of the way, our entrance. On the tree, and here on the road. Here our main entrance. And here entrance to our property.